Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me DJI OM 5, and now I'm gonna show you how to invert or how to uninvert joystick direction on this device. To invert or disable inverting of the joystick direction, you need to download and install DJI Mimo application. If you're using iPhone, you need to download it from the App Store. If you're using the Google device, Android device, you need to download it from the Google Play Store. Then click on the three dots button on the left top corner of your screen, and here you will see the gimbal icon. Click on it, scroll down and find invert joystick direction. Click OK, and you can invert horizontally, vertically, or on the all of directions. For example, click all, and now when you will click up, it will redirect it in the other way. Right, it will be left, left will be right. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.